Good afternoon. I'm also very happy to be here. I'm talking about trademark and design registration strategies in Europe. The goal of this presentation is to show that there are some systems, some registration systems in Europe, and particularly in European Union, that might be very useful and interesting also for outsider from outside the world, and particularly from India. First of all, I will give you some statistics. I don't want to bore you, but I hope you find them quite interesting, and we can better see what we are talking about regarding facts and figures. Then I will spend a few words on trademark registration strategies and move on to the design registration strategy and show you some examples of how efficient designs can be. So some statistics in general. Europe, it's a continent in green, 50 countries for less than 800 million people, a lot of smaller countries, and you would say, okay, it might be awful to get protected rights in such a continent. But it's very interesting because it's quite rich and it's a huge market. We have the European Union. It's the second map. It's dark green. There are like 27 countries with 500 million people, and it's quite interesting because it's the largest single market in the world in terms of purchasing power, so quite interesting for worldwide companies. And Europe is trading with India more and more. The EU, for instance, is the largest trading partner of India and absorbs 20% of all the exportations of India. And there are like 80 billion US dollar in products and services exchanged each year between Europe and European Union and India, and this figure is increasing with India becoming a world economic power. So if you look now at some statistics, and I took the statistics of the European Union, of the Trademark and Design Office, because one thing the EU is good at is statistics. They have statistics for everything. You think the community trademark application in total